Hello, my friends. Good morning, and we are back. So, yesterday, I just watched SmackDown. So, basically, in the first segment, we're just gonna talk about the first segment on SmackDown, and that's it. Basically, in the first segment, Triple H just said about the press con was a wild event. It was so exciting. A lot of fans are there, but he wants to clear a little bit of confusion because somebody is trying to assert their authority, which clearly they don't have any authority. So basically, Triple H is taking shots at The Rock. Yes, basically, Triple H is taking shots at The Rock for inserting his authority, even though he sits at the TKO board of directors group. But here's the thing. Triple H just said, yeah, which clearly he doesn't have the authority, Triple H said to The Rock. And then there's one thing abundantly clear, that he is the authority. And then he announced that in the main event of WrestleMania, Roman Reigns will defend the undisputed WWE Championship against Cody Rhodes, and that seemingly is official, chat. The dream match that we wanted, Roman Reigns versus The Rock, has been cancelled. But there has been cancelled, chat. Roman Reigns versus The Rock has been cancelled. But there is a chance that The Rock would be inserted into the match with Cody Rhodes and Roman Reigns. This is my predictions only, so basically, respect my opinion on this, chat. I think at WrestleMania, this is just me. It's just like I was spitballing. I think the match at WrestleMania is going to be a triple threat match. Yes, it's going to be a triple threat match, chat. Roman Reigns versus Cody Rhodes versus The Rock for the undisputed WWE Championship. And basically, that is the last backup plan, or the last backup plan that WWE has in mind. So we will see what lies ahead or occurs at the Elimination Chamber. And basically, Triple H is inserting his authority already again, which is so good because he is the chief content officer of the WWE, and The Rock is the member of the TKO Holdings Group. And then I have heard from reports like on the internet that basically there is a rumor going around that maybe The Rock would fire Triple H as the chief content operating officer, because Dwayne Johnson has a is a member of the TKO Holdings Group, and he has a tendency to have more political power. Yeah, more political power than Triple H, because back in the day, Triple H has more political power. But now that The Rock sits at the TKO board of directors group, so there is a chance that The Rock would fire Triple H on the spot. that's just me. I'm just spitballing. This is not 100% true. I'm not making any facts about that. It's just a rumor, so take that as a pinch of salt. So, yeah, and this is going to be interesting. Now that The Rock has turned heel, what's gonna happen with Roman Reigns, Cody Rhodes, The Rock, and we will see, since it's only 2 months away. But then we go to the next segment. Braun Breaker was backstage talking to Triple H, and then Braun Breaker was confused. Yes, a lot of contract tampering. Like Braun is so confused of which brand is going to go. He needs advice from Triple H, and then Triple H said, "Thank you, like, for everything," and then blah blah blah. And then Paul Heyman comes in backstage. Okay? And then basically Triple H just said, "What do you want?" Okay, just alright, relax. Not a good time, especially what happened last night. And then basically Paul Heyman just said to Triple H, "I will be back next week with my tribal chief, Roman Reigns." Pause for a second. He comes back in, and The Rock. So basically, chat, next week at Salt Lake City, Utah, SmackDown, Roman Reigns and The Rock are gonna be at SmackDown. So basically, this is going to be interesting. What is going to happen, especially what occurred at the press con? Man, I don't know. I am so excited, chat. What's gonna happen? We got only 2 months away at WrestleMania. Before WrestleMania. And yes, chat. So yeah, that is it, chat, for this video recording, talking about the first segment and the I think the third or fourth segment. So basically, chat, if you want to subscribe, chat, do not forget to subscribe to the channel. We're on the road to 400 subscribers, and then I'm gonna make another video recording later. So yeah, that is it, guys. Peace out.